This is the Simdevanma LED headlight kit. They are 6500 Kelvin, which is sort of like a very bright white to even a daylight color. 7600 lumens for the pair. They have an aluminum heatsink and a 10,000 RPM cooling fan. This particular set is the H11 size bulbs. Let's take it out of the package. Okay, in the package you'll find, of course, the manual as well as a little warranty card. And here are the bulbs themselves. Let's pull one out here for a moment. You'll see it's of the what they call a flip chip design, where there's one driver on each side. And here is the aluminum heatsink. Okay, like I said, these are the H11 size bulbs. And this is a rubber gasket to ensure that water does not get into the headlight enclosure. They fit right in as a direct replacement for the existing bulbs. If you note, again, this is specific to these H11s. Others will have different mounts. There are 3 ears, and the one on top is larger. On your car, you will see that the very same way. So you just line up the larger one with the largest opening, and then it fits in, and you give it like a half twist kind of thing, sort of like a bayonet type thing. On the back here, you can see there is a fan there that runs at 10,000 RPM, braided cable, and here's the connector that will fit your car. Now, this connector is not keyed. You'll notice it's exactly the same on both sides, and that's because different cars have wired their connectors in different ways. So when you connect this, it is entirely possible that it won't work. And if it doesn't work, you simply take the connector out, turn it 180 degrees, and plug it right back in, and then it'll be sure to work. Now, I will show you the car that I'm going to be installing these in the dark with its existing halogen headlights, and we'll test those out, and then we'll replace it with these. I won't be showing you the installation because, like I said, it's very simple. You just untwist your existing bulb and pull it out, and this one goes right back in and twists in. And we'll be testing the light output of both. Right now it's daytime, so we do need to wait until it gets dark. So we'll come back as soon as it's dark. Okay, here's the car we're going to be upgrading. This has the halogen bulbs still installed, and that's what you see across the street. Now here's what the car looks like with its stock halogen headlights. Now, it's kind of hard to tell just looking at a car like this, so I'm going to do one better for you. This device is called a luxmeter, and it measures how much light there is. So I'm going to hold the sensor, which is picking up about 12 lux from the dome light in the car, up to the headlight, and we're going to see a number on there. Now, a lux doesn't mean anything to you or me, but what we do need to know is that a larger number means brighter. So let's go try out the halogen lights and see what it reads. Okay, I'm holding the sensor right up to the light, and we're reading about 550 something, 560 we'll call it. So now we'll go ahead and install the LED bulbs from Simdevanma, and we'll see what we get. And now the LEDs are in. And look at that. That is quite a difference. And here's the front of the car, what you would see with the LED lights in. Now let's put the lux meter on that and see how it compares. Okay, I'm holding the light sensor right on the light, and we're reading, wow, 1220 something compared to 560 before. So these are 2.5 times brighter approximately. Really, really impressive. Now the lights are on, and there's the fan. You can hear them, but they're pretty quiet. Let's come over to this side. This one is also running, but again, it's nice and quiet, and with the engine running, you'll never hear it at all. It's extraordinarily quiet, yet it's doing a great job keeping the LEDs cool. So once again, this was the Simdevanma LED headlight kit. 6500 Kelvin, 7600 lumen per pair, with an aluminum heatsink and cooling fan. If you'd like to purchase these lights, I'll provide a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.